welcome back to Dream It, Do It Travels. I'm Ryan.
I'm Erin, and today we're doing something a little bit different. We are at Disney's DVC Resort here on Hilton Head Island.
This is one that we've been wanting to try. It's kind of off the beaten path. This is one that not a lot of people, I don't think, know about.
No, and it's a way more relaxing, chill kind of atmosphere than you're used to at Disney World.
Yeah, this is not go, go, go. This is like hammocks and cornhole and, I don't know, just hanging out by the ocean. You got the sound.
There's a beach house. So this is on the Sound, like on the Marsh, but there is a shuttle to the beach house. So we'll show you that. We've actually been here for a couple days. So we're going to show you what we've been doing, show you around the resort, and then we'll let you know what we think.
All right, well, let's show you around.
The shuttle picks you up out here in front of the Live Oak Lodge. It runs about every 20 minutes, and it's only about a 5-minute ride to the beach house. There is a counter service location here at the beach house called Signals. They're open basically just for lunch hours, approximately 11 to 3 o'clock. There's not a lot of indoor dining here, but they give you a number and you can take it out and sit it on your table outside around the pool, and they'll bring your food to you.
We got the popcorn shrimp and french fries, and it come with a side of slaw. This was pretty good. It was not anything outstanding. But then we got the shrimp tacos. They came with fries as well. And we also got the fish tacos, which also came with french fries. The food was good. It just wasn't fantastic. The ice cream, however, was pretty good. This is the raspberry Dole Whip. So a little different than the normal Dole Whip. Get the raspberry flavor. They were supposed to have watermelon, but they were out of it.
And I got the raspberry swirled with pineapple, which was pretty good.
This was their pool area. It was a really nice pool, and it had some activities as well. And it was located right next to the ocean. You could see just a short little walk over the sand dune there, and beautiful. But I think we're going to head back to the resort, and we're going to show you around the resort. This was a really nice playground, and it was all fenced in to keep the kids contained so they don't get too close to the marsh. I think they did a great job with this playground.
They have this small kind of secluded area. It looks like it's set up where they can perform, you know, like a smaller wedding here, maybe like a vow renewal, something like that. It's, you know, there's not a ton of seating, but it is a nice little thing that they have available.
Now let's make our way towards the gift shop. It has all the Disney touches, and you really do feel like you're at Disney. I tell you what, this was a small gym, but man, they had a lot of equipment here that they packed in a tight little spot, but it's all the good stuff, and you could get quite a good workout in if you wanted to. This is the kids' splash pad area, and they also have a very large hot tub. This is the activity center, and this is the walk-up window where you sign up for your activities. They also do have a laundry facility on grounds. Surprisingly, everything is free. It's not going to be utilized by most people, only the ones who are in studios that don't have access to washer and dryer.
Getting your picture ready? Yeah. You gotta fix that hair sometimes. Oh, back to back? There you go.
You guys are styling.
All right, well, we've just finished here at the Live Oak Lodge. We've kind of taken you around, showing you the lobby and the outdoor area, but let's head on up to our one bedroom.
There's also a quick service here at the resort. It's near the pool and right next to the gift shop. You order at the window. They'll, again, bring your food to the table. They'll give you a number so you can be down by the pool or up on the deck there, and they'll bring your food to you. But they're open usually about 8 to 5, breakfast and lunch, and they have a lot of the Disney World favorites like Mickey waffles, Mickey pretzel and cheese, Dole Whip, so you can get some of those familiar favorites while you're here as well. They do have beignets on the menu, but do not be fooled. These are not the Port Orleans beignets. These are like the small kind of croissant-like beignets. They had pineapple or vanilla Dole Whip, and we chose to get it swirled. It was pretty good. Also for lunch, we tried a few different things. They had a vegetarian black bean burger with like a chipotle aioli. We tried the fried pickles. They were one of the better things that we had. They were lightly battered. They came served with ranch. We also tried the pulled pork sandwich, which had like a Carolina kind of mustard sauce and some fresh pickles on there. Probably the best thing that we tried was the coconut shrimp, and they came with like a pina colada sauce. And then we also tried the fried fish, which was just okay. Definitely wish we would have went back and got more of the coconut shrimp because that was our favorite.
That's why there's a pretty good chance we'll see some Atlantic bottlenose dolphins out here. Even during the winter months, and luckily only during the winter, we actually get very large great white sharks that come in here.
We booked a dolphin cruise at the activities window. It was $45 per person. It is ran by a third party. The company was called Outside, and we had to sign some waivers before we left.
I've seen probably in the last couple of months. Great. David Bruce already.
We really enjoyed this cruise. It's about 90 minutes long. If you got the time to stop and do it, I do recommend doing this.
Alright, so they're doing the s'mores at the campfire tonight. There's no charge. They give you a stick And you got your chocolate graham crackers and your marshmallow, no charge.
Yep. Give you the whole kit. Is it just one per person, or can you go up?
I don't know.
I don't know. You might be able to go more than once, but yeah, it's just a small little campfire and
Nice little touch.
bunch of people just roasting some marshmallows.
Oh yeah, it's popular. There's probably 25 people here.
Yeah. Let's go do a s'more.
How's your s'more?
How you doing?
So right now it's Thursday the 26th around noon. We're starting to see some of the effects of Hurricane Helene coming in. Right now it's just like some wind and rain. We've just received this notice on the television that there's a shelter-in-place order beginning tonight at 10 p.m. until 6 a.m. tomorrow due to Hurricane Helene, possible effects of that in the area. We still have several days left on our trip, so we have made the decision to stay, so we'll kind of see what happens. We saw the shelter-in-place message on the main screen on the TV, but they just came around door to door with a letter just asking us that we stay in our room, shelter in place, from 10 p.m. tonight until 6 a.m. tomorrow, and said they would be back with any updates. The wind and the rain is really picking up. So it's Friday morning, and luckily we are safe and sound. It was mostly just high winds, rain, tornado warnings here. We have heard the news of the devastation in the Western Carolinas, and we just wanted everybody to know that our hearts are saddened by this, and our prayers go out to all of those people affected.
All right, well, we finished up our stay here at Disney's Hilton Head Resort. This is a fantastic place if you just want a chill spot, come and relax. All kinds of fun games and activities for the family. I like this place. I'd definitely come back.
It's a lot smaller and quieter than any other Disney resort, but it doesn't feel crowded. Like, there's usually not a lot of people out on the paths. We haven't had to wait to do any of the activities.
And I mean, this place is supposed to be sold out.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it is sold out. There's no reservations. I think a lot of the DVC people take up the reservations at that 11-month out mark. So once it hits that 7-month mark, it's slim pickings. There's not much left.
Yeah, I can't say enough good things about this resort. I think it's just a great place to relax.
Yeah, we've definitely slowed down for sure.
Yeah, much needed R&R. I think this is a fantastic place. I mean, look at these views of the marsh like behind us. We've done some awesome stuff, and we went on a dolphin tour. There's just so many things that you can sign up for and do fun activities. Look into all those. You can rent bikes. You can ride them all over the island.
Yeah, they'll give you an activity guide when you check in, and then the little booth where you can sign up for stuff is like right under the gift shop and the quick service. So definitely kind of when you get here, look at that, see what you want to do, map it out, because some of the things that only happen once or twice during the week.
But all the Disney touches are here. I mean, the customer service, the little hidden Mickeys, the characters.
Lots of artwork in our rooms, you know, the topiaries, and like you said, yeah, the cast members are super over the top, really nice here.
Yeah. All right, well, I think we're going to wrap this up. Just remember, please like, comment, subscribe, ring that notification bell, and just remember,
If you can dream it.
you can do it.
Bye.
See ya.